will be your host for this morning. We start with the Holy Quran recitation by Maryam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-Fatiha. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Honor of the Day of Judgment. Thee alone do we worship. Thee alone we ask for help. Show us the straight path. The path of those whom you have favored, not of those who earn your anger, and not of those who go astray. Amen.
Now I call Hessa for prayer.
Bless us as we start the day. Bless us as we learn and play. Bless our teachers and our parents. Bless us to start a new day. Thank you.
Now let us all stand up for the Qatar National Anthem.
قسما بمن رفع السماء قسما بمن نشر الضياء مطر ستبقى حرة تسمو بالروح الأوفياء سيروا على جيلنا سيروا وعلى ديار الأنبياء قطر بقلب سيرة عز وأمجاد الهباء قطر الرجال الأولين أماتنا يوما كذا وحمائم يوم السلام جوارح يوم الفداء قطر الرجال الأولين أماتنا يوما كذا وحمائم يوم السلام جوارح يوم الفداء قسما بمن رفع السماء قسما بمن نشر الضياء قسم ستبقى حرة تسمو بالروح الأوفياء.
Now I call Zishan to say the vision statement.
Build an institution that inspires students to pursue education based on excellence with leadership qualities. Thank you.
Now I call Ira and Farhan for the mission statement.
create an academic and intellectual ecosystem that enables students holistic development and prepare them to face challenges in real world with confidence and competence. Thank you. Over to Farhan.
Foster a community of progressive, lifelong learners to motivate, excel in talent and skills and imbibe in them the elements of creative thinking and critical reasoning. Thank you. Next, I would like to call Zainab to share the thought for the day.
If you see someone without a smile, give them one of yours.
Now I will International Yoga Day. Our team for today. I welcome Zaid, Prasita, Shringa, Othniel, Ronan to say a few words about International Yoga Day.
International Yoga Day is celebrated on 24th June every year. Over to Prasita. The word yoga comes from Sanskrit, which means to join or to unite. Thank you. Or to Swinga. Yoga is a healthy practice to stay fit, breathe better, stay happy. Over to Othniel. Starting all day with yoga is helpful for your mind and body. Over to Ronan. Yoga is all about body posture and breathing exercises, and there are more than 300 yoga poses.
Okay. Now I call upon our dear Sanjay ma'am to teach us some yoga.
Thank you, Samaira. And a very good morning to all the children. I'm so happy to see you all in class 1 now. You all have grown up, right? Okay. So, yeah. So I'm so happy that you know so much about yoga already. When I was your age, I did not know anything about yoga. But you all know what is yoga and how it helps us to maintain our body and our mind, right? But today I am not going to do any yoga poses with you because I am not with you there. I have to do it when I am there with you. Because if your posture is wrong or you're not doing it properly, I cannot correct you. So today, what we are going to do is something more important than yoga postures. Okay? Now, can anybody tell me which is the most important part of our body?
Brain.
Okay. And?
Eyes. Heart.
Eyes, yes.
Ears. Nose.
Okay. Okay, now listen. I think instead of saying each part of our body, instead of saying each part of our body, every part of our body is equally important. Okay, when we get hurt in our hands, we cannot move. When we get hurt in our legs, we cannot move. So all the parts are equally important, and that is the reason we do so many exercises. But what about our small little eyes? Do we do any exercise for that? And nowadays we are straining our eyes so much. We are watching TV, we are watching tabs, iPads, and because of this corona, everything going around us, we are also doing this online classes. So we are spending more time, we are straining our eyes more. So today I am going to do some eyes exercises with you. Okay? And this exercises you should do 2 times. You all brush your teeth 2 times, no? Same way, you have to do the eye exercise also 2 times. So after brushing the teeth, you can do the eyes exercise. Okay, so we will just show you 4 to 5 exercises which you can do. I will do it 3 times only because we don't have much time now, but you have to do at least 5 to 10 times every day. Okay, 5 to 10 times in the sense 2 times you have to do, but practice it 5 times. I will show you how it is. So everybody has to sit straight first, spine straight. Yes. Then close your eyes, open and look straight. Then you have to look up. Only your eyes should go up, not your neck. Okay, only eyes will go up, and hold it there for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, bring your eyes down and look down. Again, hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one exercise. Okay. The next one is on the sides. You have to look both the sides and hold there for 5 seconds. Come on. Look on the right side first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then look on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are doing it 3 times only, but when you are practicing at home, you can do it 5 times. Okay. Then next is you have to look on the corner, like corner of your right eyes, then look down. Look up, corner, right corner and left corner. So it will be in a slanting line. Look up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way on the other side. Look up, left corner and right corner. Don't move your neck, okay? Only your eyeball should move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how you should practice. Now next, fourth one is close your eyes very tight, like this. Hold it very tight. Then open it slowly. Hold it tight again and open it slowly. Tight, open. This also you have to do 5 times, okay? Then just blink your eyes fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Blinking your eyes 20 times. Now everybody do like this with your hands. Make your hands warm. It has to become very warm. Yeah. And when it is warm, you have to place it slowly on your eyes. And keep it there for 2 seconds. Now open your eyes slowly. Yeah. So these are the eye exercises which you can do every day. It is easy and you can also teach your brothers and sisters and also your parents. Okay? So do practice every day and I hope to see you all soon in the school. Everybody stay safe and stay healthy. Okay? Bye.
Thank you, Sandhya ma'am. And now I call our Jayashree ma'am to address the gathering.
Good morning, all of you. This, I must say, it's such a wonderful assembly, and KG2 to class 1. This is the first assembly, yes, of class 1. All of you are grown up from KG2, also confident and doing your work from home, attending online classes on your own, yes, and practicing for the assembly with the help of your parents, all grown into big children. I'm not sure if you were in school whether you would have done this, but since you're doing it in online, it's really excellent. I'm so happy to see all of you so confident, and I would like to thank the parents for practicing with the students, and also Lakshmi ma'am for putting in the effort. Without the cooperation of the parents, I'm sure the mission, vision and all would not be done as well as it has been done. Thank you, parents, and thank you, Lakshmi ma'am. Sandhya ma'am, thank you always. We can always count on you for our yoga sessions. The yoga session was really apt for the children because now they are sitting in front of the screen most of the time. Children, do follow the exercises taught by Sandhya ma'am. And now can you clap for yourselves? You can unmute yourself and clap, all of you. Do you know how to unmute yourself? Very good. Good. So you can clap. All of you. Well done. And you can clap for Lakshmi ma'am also. And Sandhya ma'am also. Okay. Now let me hand it over back to Samaira, who is doing the comparing. Should I hand it back to Samaira?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Samaira, take over.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon Rakan for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Samaira. I would like to thank our principal ma'am, Jayashree ma'am, Sandhya ma'am, our guest speaker, and all other teachers of our school for attending our first assembly. I thank our class teacher Lakshmi ma'am for helping all of us to make the assembly a grand success. I especially thank all our parents for supporting and encouraging. Thank you all. Now I request all of you to stand up for Indian National Anthem. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Hello, thank you everyone. You all did a very good job. Very good. All of you clap for yourself. Come on, clap for yourself. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. Next time we can make it more better than this. Okay. Yeah. So now you all can leave and join in our.
Lakshmi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
hi. It was a wonderful assembly. Congrats to all the children. I think ma'am, Jayashree ma'am always asked us to take pictures after the assembly. So can you stay back for 5 more minutes with the children and then turn on your videos and click some pictures with them?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. I'm leaving. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. I'm going to take a picture. Please smile, all of you. Ronan, sit properly, Ronan. Okay, now Nehan, Zainab, Ronan, Rafan, Othniel, Samira, Prasida, Zaid, and Shringa off the video so that others can come. Others, please on the video, okay? Okay, Mohammed Umar, I can't see your face properly. Only I can see your forehead. Ashes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, now you all can off the video so the others can, I can see the others. Oh, Arham is having a Pearl School logo behind. Samira, your video I have already seen. Rashida also already seen. Arham already seen. Look here, all of you. Harshida, look here. Okay. Amira is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Amira. Good morning, baby. Okay, let me take. Then Sumaya. Sumaya, Rania, where is Sumaya and Rania? I can see Harshida Pinik, please off the video, and Sheikh Mohammed, Sheikh Uzair very close off the video, Ramtej off the video, Hessa off the video, Farhan off the video. I want to see the kids who are not. Yeah. Yeah. Sumaya, can you keep your laptop straight because.
Ma'am, I'm Harshita, ma'am. Should I off my call, ma'am?
Yes. Off. Turn around. One more turn. Sumaya, one more turn. No, not like that. The other way. Yes, now only it became straight. Okay, fine. Hold it like that, okay? I can't see her face. I can't see her face. Just keep your video a little bit up. Screen. I can't see her face. Sumaya's face, I can't see her. Turn to the. Where is Sumaya? Sumaya. Sumaya, turn the. Yes, now it's fine. Okay, thank you. Don't change, okay? Suddenly her face is gone. Yeah, now fine. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. You can go, you can leave, and we will meet at 1 o'clock for the class. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Mariam.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Everyone did it perfectly. Thank you so much. Bye. You can leave and come back by 1 o'clock. Okay?
My muted somehow. Okay, I'll speak to Zaid.